Hey everyone, how you doing? So today I'll be showing you how you can transform a dress into a romper. So stay tuned to the very end to see how you can do this. First of all, I'm just going to cut out the bit that I'm going to need for this romper. I'm just cutting at 3 inches from the down because there's no other excess material here to use other than the length, which you've seen from the very beginning of the video. So this is what's going to serve as the bed. Now I'm just going to measure out the half cut. I'm using an old jumpsuit of mine that I love very much. This one is not a stretchy material because the material I'm using for this tutorial is not stretchy, so it's perfect. So whenever you are doing this, make sure you are using same materials. So now I'm just going to cut out this half, which is 18 inches. It's going to come down to 17 at the end. So now I'm just going to trace out the top of this. I'm leaving 1 inch in the tracing out for sewing allowance. Remember, this is a beginners friendly video, that's why I'm doing this. It's so that you can do it by yourself at home, even if you don't have any knowledge of sewing or measurements. So this is the easiest way for you to do this tutorial. So I'm leaving 1 inch for the sewing allowance. So this is sewing makes easy. Next, I'm just going to down on the both sides, sew it down both sides. Now this is how it's going to look afterward, after sewing. Now I'm just going to bring down the back of this top so that I can easily wear it. You know, this is a romper, you wear it from down, from up down. So I'm giving this excess length at the back, opening at the back, so that I can easily wear it. If you don't have an opening at your front part, make it deeper, but since I have a little bit of opening at the front of this, I'm making the back to be 7 inch. So this is going to tie at the back. So this is going to look like. So whenever I want to wear it, I can easily open it and then wear it from the top. So take note of that. Next, I'm just going to attach the sleeve. This is the sleeve that I got when I was tracing out the top part. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm attaching it, but before doing that, I'm making sure that the armhole and the sleeve are of the same length. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you really do want a complete and detailed way to put in your sleeve, I have a video on my description box. I've done it so many times, so you should see it there. So this is it after attaching the sleeve. Next, just look at what I'm doing right now. Do it like that exactly. You fold it in two and then you trace out the front of this top, the very front of it, because the front and back are different from each other. The back is a bit, the crotch area is a bit longer, and then the front part is a bit shorter. So make sure that you place it exactly like this. The front, you fold the front like this, and then we'll go and do the back. So this is the back. You fold the back part and then you trace out. Remember, in every tracing out you are doing, you are giving 1 inch allowance for sewing so that it will not be too tight. So this is how it's going to look like. Next, you're going to sew both sides like this, and then you turn, roller, just like magic. And next, you're just going to sew the crunch down to the time. So this is it. Now this is the final result after sewing. Now the shirt is ready to be attached to the very top part that we have done already. If you look closely, the shirt is wider than the top, which is good. We are going to use elastic band to make it my size, and I'm using 26 inch elastic band. Of course, my waist is a bit bigger than that, I think 28 or thereabouts. So now I'm just going to stretch and sew it so that I can accommodate all the fabric. So this is going to look like. This elastic band is needed in this because it makes it easier for you to wear it. So now I'm just going to attach the top to the shorts to make it the romper that we are making. So this is it. Now I'm just going to attach, stretch and attach. So this is it. Now the romper is ready. So this way it's easier for you to wear. So next I'm just going to hem the down part of this to give a perfect finish. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new here and you have not subscribed already, and share to your friends so that they too can try out this tutorial. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate if you do that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, till my next video.